What's up, guys? Eric here from Major League Trading, and in tonight's free video, we had a sloppy, choppy, range-bound type of action here overall in the day. We had an important level in place at 68.50/50s, and that level is going to get carried over into tomorrow. You can see we initially tried to get above it, pulled back, made new lows, got above it, pulled back, made new lows, got above it, pulled back, made new lows. And then rejected from it here towards the middle of the day, and then again later on towards the end of the day. We're unable to really get through this level, which I think is going to be an important piece moving forward into tomorrow. So my initial thoughts here, I would love a small gap up opening, 68.55, 68.56s, somewhere in there, not too far away. A retest of 68.50/50s, and then from there we can rally and maybe look to see where this wants to go from there. Now, at the same time, I mentioned this and I kind of talked about it on live stream the other day. It is entirely possible that with the weekly bar that we saw last week, more specifically even in the Russell, is that we really don't go anywhere this week. Last week's highs were 68.6375s. We traded 68.6350s. Today, we were unable to really break out of that range from last week. And it could be very possible that we essentially just stay right inside this 6,800 to 6,850 range for the rest of the week. Now, I'm hoping, obviously, as a trader, that that's not the case. I would like some volatility. I would like something to do. But at the same time, from a chart perspective, it would make next week pretty solid, actually, pretty promising for a move up into 69.44/50s if we are then able to break up through. So if 68.50s kind of stays in place here, we don't really do anything with it, and then we can ultimately break through that next week, then I'll be looking for higher prices, obviously, from that. So that's my initial thoughts here on overall markets. NASDAQ, everything else, pretty much the same thing. NASDAQ did kind of pop up through and is trying to push through those highs now. Russell, on the other hand, is weak. It's, obviously a red bar today. Pushed us down towards the open through the open from yesterday here. And then in the Dow, you can see it's pretty much just a stale doji bar. We've got that 234 level below that we could probably go test. Kind of same thing as the 6,800s for the S&Ps. So we're in this interesting spot that I think we're probably going to maybe trade into or trade inside of for the next couple of days. Now, with that being said, there are a couple trades in which I do like. One of those here being gold. So gold currently right now 42.42s basically. Up over 42.55.60s. I am open to longs in here. I really like the idea in there that we could see a nice move to the upside. And then that also comes on the backs of silver, which silver is now pushing up. Traded through these 43.50s up here in the after hours just a little bit ago. And I think we'll still continue to see a rally in the metals here to kind of finish out the week. Last but not least here, Bitcoin had an impressive move today. We were able to get up through this 88.305s, and we made a nice move from there, about 4,000 points. Total range on the day, 4,710 points here for Bitcoin. So pretty massive move in there. And looking for more continuation in there potentially tomorrow here. We didn't quite find the resistance levels up here that I think that we probably should have. So I'm going to be looking for pullbacks in this and then look for new longs in there. So I'll mark all those levels up. They'll be obviously shared in the Discord and then talked about tomorrow morning during the live stream. And then we might do the special, waiting to hear back. Maybe we'll do the special Wednesday, evening stream and give away some free prop accounts. There is also a new account being released by Tradeify tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. I'll drop the link below. All the links for the prop firms in which I trust and use will be down in the description, as well as a link for the mentorship if you guys are interested in that. So you can find all those links down in the description. And yeah, we'll see what they're cooking up over there at Tradeify for tomorrow. So, anyways, that's what I got. Take care. Hope it helps, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.